Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're looking for the clan tag and how you can change it. So first you want to go to your multiplayer tab, then click on the top right, and then several options appear as your online status, your profile, your calling card, your emblem, emotes, loading screen, and the last option is the edit clan tag setting. Click on it and now you can type in your clan tag, which has a maximum of 5 characters. Then click on save. And important now is that the clan tag is not visible yet. So go once out and go in again. And now you can see the clan tag is updated. For the clan tag, there is no limit of changes, so you can change this option every time you want. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.